SOLIDWORKS Simulation Professional extends the capabilities of design studies to offer model optimization from simulation results. Users can quickly analyze multiple design variants and define pass-fail criteria based on multiple results, including stress, strain, displacement, and mass. Design studies are set up using variables, constraints, and goals. Variables let users select any model dimension or assembly mate definition to vary, and a range of values are defined by the user. Constraints allow monitoring of key results such as stress, strain, displacement, and factor of safety. These define the pass-failure criteria for the study. And finally, the goal of the study is specified in order for SOLIDWORKS to select the optimum design from all of the scenarios. Scenarios can be cycled through and altered if required. Results for the design study are tabulated for each scenario and detail the constraint results calculated. Red scenarios have failed one or more of the constraint requirements, whilst the white scenarios have passed. The single green column dictates which optimum result was chosen by SOLIDWORKS. Geometry for the associated scenario will update graphically as these columns are selected. Along with the constraint results, users can also plot contour results directly onto the model geometry. Optimization in Simulation Professional allows users to quickly study multiple design variations and identify optimum design solutions from parametric models.